Hi there, my name's Josh and I'm the chiropractor at Pro Chiro. I've recently gone through an ACL reconstruction and as such I've had to begin a very long rehabilitation process. I thought it would be a good idea to document my progress and show you all the different phases of exercises I'm going through to rehab my ACL and return to sport. So in this first phase, the focus is on restoring knee extension as well as trying to improve the strength of my quadriceps muscles. So these videos show the exercises I'm doing for that purpose. I need to do these exercises 3 to 4 times every single day depending on how sore the knee is, because inflammation is something I need to try to avoid if possible. So enjoy the exercises and then ask any questions you have after you watch the exercises. Thank you.
So this first exercise isn't much to look at, but it's essential to help improve your knee extension as well as start to get your quadriceps muscle ready to strengthen. This next exercise is also to help improve your knee extension and also to engage some of your hip flexors and your quadricep muscles as well. Keeping your glutes nice and strong will help to take pressure away from your knee and away from that reconstructed ACL, and that will help to prepare you for the next few phases of recovery, as well as help you get over that initial phase. After doing those strengthening exercises, it's then important to also do some range of motion exercises to try getting your knee to move as much as is comfortable and get it back to normal as quickly as possible. So compared to that previous range of motion exercise, this one is more of a gentle stretch, but it's still worthwhile to do to try getting your hamstrings to relax and to try allowing your knee to just straighten out as much as possible.